let's say an example, you have a course, you have a video course about what the topic that you're going to teach. And if you have something like this that you copy from any of your tools that you're using for creating the course, and then right now what you do is in Pictory, you go and add that to your workflow and then land on a storyboard where the scenes are created, the stock visuals are being used in order to help amplify your voice and create a video. But now what we are working on, and this is just still not there for our customers yet, it is fresh out of the oven from the R&D perspective. You can give commands something like this. Like this is one of the statements in my script. I give a command like this. You go to the visuals in AI Studio. You will have a new option called motion graphics, and it'll help you create dynamic story with a nicely connected different elements and visuals, not necessarily stock visuals alone, where your story can become even more compelling. And I'll show you what the output looks like once you do this. You just give this command and say, hey, just go and do this for me, and the output would look something like this.
Today, we'll learn how to multiply two matrices step by step. Let's take matrix A, a 2 by 3 matrix with rows 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6.
This is animated by the AI of it?
Yes. All I did was I just gave a command or a prompt like I showed you in the previous step, and all this animation is done in a customized way, dynamically on the fly by AI, so that you don't need to have a template or anything being designed or used or repurposed. You can just give a command and it will go and read your script and create this for you. This is something which will be super helpful for scenarios where especially you're creating content from your existing material that you already have, courses, compliance videos, or even in the marketing world, or you're talking about different process diagrams and things like that, where maybe stock visuals don't play a very important role there, but you would love to use your own content or the concept being described, and the AI brings everything together and explains
9, 10,
to customers
and 11 the result will
in a
be
way like
2
we are
by
showing
2
now.
matrix C, because A has 2 rows and B has.
As you see, this is very, very customized to the script. Nowhere in the world you will find a stock visual or any explanation like this. This was created dynamically on the fly based on your script. And this is again magic. Just imagine if we had to do this in the past, either we trying to do it or taking help of a creative team or going to an agency to do this, it would cost us a lot of money and a lot of time. And very importantly, as subject matter experts, we don't have control over that content despite spending a lot of money and time. Now with this, you're able to do it very fast, and if you don't like something, you can still modify this and get this out in a fraction of a time than what it would have been others. So it's time, money, and also the control.
Abid, we have a really awesome comment from Peter. He actually said, and I'm going to add to it, he says this is a wake-up call for content creators and marketing agencies that engineers can do it now on their own. And I'd actually add to that, it's a wake-up call for also our engineers that the marketers and content creators can create all this stuff on their own.